Ukuthumela phesheya umkhiqizo ingqinamba enkulu ebhekene nalomkhakha ngale kuphazanyiswa izibhelu zangoNtulikazi.
The returns are dependent upon the prices you achieve and therefore the income that you earn from selling the fruit, and then less the costs. And unfortunately, on both of those sides, we had a pretty disastrous 2021. The prices were extremely low in the markets, and the costs just skyrocketed in 2021. So a lot of growers are really hurting from this year's season.
Isigameko sokuphazamiseka kohlelo lwe-internet echwebeni laseThekwini nakho kwaphazamisa kakhulu.
We almost had 4 or 5 weeks where our fruit couldn't get through to Durban port, and that obviously then impacts on the rest of the season, and so our season got longer. We were still sending in fruit in September, and you know, by then the northern hemisphere is coming into the market, so there's a lot of competition in the market.
Abatshali bezithelo ezisawolintshi bathi lomkhakha usukhombise ukusimama ngale kwalezinselele.